Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your touchscreen isn't responding on your VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. First of all, turn your device off by holding down the power button and volume down key for at least 10 seconds. Wait until the screen of your device goes off. And after that, wait until your phone is restarted. If after your phone is restarted, your touchscreen still isn't working, then try removing the protective case from your smartphone and see if this helps you with solving your problem. And if it doesn't, then also remove your screen protector, because this is most likely the reason why your touchscreen isn't working. And if after removing your screen protection, glass protection, your touchscreen still isn't working, this is most likely due to some hardware issue, and in such case you're gonna have to contact VIVO customer support service and tell them about this problem, and most probably send your phone to them for repair. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.